talk from your heart about your HEXEL.
Today we want to talk a little bit about HEXEL. What is a HEXEL? HEXEL has been a part of the Plus Plus family for a couple of years now, and it really grew out of this idea that Plus Plus is a fidget toy, and it does feel like a fidget toy, but a lot of times it's almost too open-ended. It's got too many possibilities, and so I wanted to create something that had a little more fidget fun to it, a little more of a closed loop. And so this is actually my first prototype. I made this, handmade it. I cut some notches in some big pieces like this, and then drilled some holes and strung an elastic cord through it. I was inspired by some classic fidget toys. Sometimes they're made out of wood that you can just kind of fidget with. And I played with several different sizes. I played with 3 pieces, 9 pieces, 12 pieces, and finally came down to this 6-piece form. So that's my original prototype. Then this was the first colorway we created, called Spectrum, because it looks like the color spectrum. So it's all the colors of the rainbow. And I'll just show you a few of the cool things you can do with HEXEL. So like all Plus Plus, you can create in 2D or 3D. So oftentimes I'll start in this 2D form like this, and then you can roll it up into a cube. So quickly going from 2D to 3D. So we have this cube-like form, or you can roll it back out, and then we can separate each part into a little stair step like this. It can be like a little wiggly worm, it can be stretchy, squishy. So you can make a square, you can make a little stair step pattern. I like to do this one. I call this one, I think we call it a scala in the little guidebook, but you can make it look like he's walking up the stairs like this. Almost a little gravity defying look. So it really is designed to be a sculptural fidget meets Plus Plus. So yeah, teachers love HEXELs because they're quiet. So many fidget toys are clickety, clackety, making too much noise in a classroom. And so a lot of teachers tell us they love HEXEL because it is so quiet. Let's see some other forms you can do that we show all the different forms on the packaging here. I call this one Minimo because it's kind of the smallest form that HEXEL can be. So it can be stacked up like this or laid down flat. So, but watch what happens. I can do 2 Minimos like this, and then we can stack them on top of each other and make a double stack Minimo. So the more HEXELs you have, the more things you can combine, the more fun you can have. Also, we'll take it back to the form that it comes in the package. We call that one Crystal. So this one feels like a little crystalline structure like you might see in a molecule or an atom. So it looks like this. So a little crystal structure, and in the center of it you have a little star that's fun. Use it as a little stand. You could put a little orb on there. That's a fun little way just to leave it on your desk. Also, I just showed you how you can combine 2 of them together. I'll show you how to combine 2 crystals together. Any form you put HEXEL into, you can combine it into combine it with another one. So we can take these 2, get it in the same orientation here, and combine it like this. For example, you can put 2 of them together like that, or any which way you want to put them together. So the more you have, the more possibilities. You can also use your big pieces and play with them with HEXEL. So I'm going to put it back into its little flat form here, and then we can add in some big pieces here if we want, and start to do some builds with your HEXEL and big together, which is really fun. This year we launched 3 brand new HEXELs, and the inspiration for this literally was our Inspired line. So we have a whole Inspired line of tubes that are distilled from famous works of art. We take these famous color palettes and put them into tube form. So we have Van Gogh, Mondrian, Gustav Klimt, Hokusai. So these are 3 of our top selling Inspired. The Mondrian's Composition A, brand new is Starry Night from Van Gogh, and then our Van Gogh Sunflowers is our best selling Inspired tube. So we thought it'd be really fun to turn these into HEXELs. So, you know, a lot of people like to have fidgets on their desk at work. Maybe you're a little embarrassed to have some child's looking fidget on your desk. So HEXEL is a great solution for that. Inside too, you get a little education. You get to learn about the artist and when they lived, and it shows you the full artwork there. And then we designed this package with no plastic. So there's no zip ties, nothing holding it in, nothing that's gonna create extra waste. So all you have to do is pull the sides of your package and it pops right out. And I like to save this little insert because it can become a display for later and has that fun little inspirational content on it. So this is our Starry Night HEXEL, and it's got pearl, which we've never had in a HEXEL before, navy, avocado, pastel blue, and mustard and cornflower. So really fun colorways. And again, you can just practice putting it into different forms or just fidget with it. Use it as an absent-minded fidget. You can just kind of keep it in your pocket and play with it that way, or try to create these sculptural forms. Then this is our sunflowers HEXEL. So again, inspired by the colors of the famous Van Gogh sunflowers. This one has copper inside, which I think is super fun. So it's got copper, pastel yellow, forest green, mustard yellow, brown, and turquoise. So all the colors you find in Van Gogh's sunflower painting. And again, this just can be a simple fidget toy you can keep on your desk, keep in your cubicle, or on your bookshelf. Just a great, simple, open-ended fidget toy. You could combine our two Van Goghs. How about that? We can take two Van Goghs and see how they interact with each other. Really fun, complementary color palettes. So we can go like this, we could put them together like that. And now we have a whole mosaic of Van Gogh. And last but not least, we have Mondrian. This one probably lends itself the best to HEXEL because it's so right angular. So again, we have this fun unboxing experience. You get to learn a little bit about Mondrian, when he lived, fun facts. So we have a quote here from Mondrian on our HEXEL. "Every true artist has been inspired more by the beauty of lines and color and the relationships between them than by the concrete subject of the picture." So this is composition A. It was painted in 1923. There you go. And we have a little educational information there about Mondrian. And then we have our Mondrian Inspired HEXEL. So 3 different HEXELs, 3 different famous works of art brought to your desk, to your playroom, and so all kinds of ways to fidget and play. Very open-ended, creative, and hopefully will inspire you in your work each day.